Hey, to take cropped screenshot on the Windows 11, you've got actually a few methods. The first one, you can open Start on your taskbar and then from the search input sniping tool phrase. Click on it with the left mouse button and now you can use this shortcut or simply select this icon and click on the new. Now let me select my icons in the left upper corner of the desktop and release left mouse button. Now you will get this popping screenshot. From here you can still customize it with these features, and if you want to save it, just click here on this icon. Now you will get your path, so it will be actually saved into the screenshots folder in the pictures, but you can also get it straight to your downloads, documents, or for example on the desktop. From here you can also change the format, so we can go for the JPG, PNG or GIF and click save. Then click yes one more time. And the second option to take the screenshot is to use the buttons combination. Click and hold the Windows button, Shift and S. And now it works the same. Select the part of the screen that you want to capture. And now this screenshot was saved in your pictures screenshots. So as you can see here, we can find them. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next one.